I hope you're getting regular lectures and you are doing the regular worksheets, and I hope you're liking it. And yes, today we are going to start with EVS. So this is a high time and we have to be very concerned. So wash your hands every day, every time you eat anything, and make sure in front of anyone, if you're speaking, put your hand like this if you're sneezing or coughing. Now, today we are going to learn about our body. Just like a machine, our body is also a machine. And in a machine, there are many tools, right? So, just like that, our body also has many parts. You may call them as tools, but then these tools are called as organs. The organs that perform work inside our body, which is a machine. Now, today we are going to talk about certain organs. Those are brain, heart, stomach, lungs, and muscles and bones. The first thing that we are going to study is the brain. Do you know what's the brain? Brain in Hindi is called dimag, right? And we think with our brain. And you know the shape of the brain? Have you ever seen a chestnut? A walnut? Walnut means akhrot. Have you seen a walnut? It looks like what? It is just like the shape of brain. So the main part of the brain is thinking. That is the main function. The whole body is in the control of the brain. Have you ever seen a Kathputli नाच? The Kathputli, the small dolls जिनके हाथ ऐसे 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 करके चलते हैं, because जो उन्हें चलाते हैं उनके हाथ में उनकी डोर होती है, right? तो जैसे इंसान कठपुतली को इस तरीके से नचाता है, वैसे ही हमारा ब्रेन हमारी पूरी बॉडी को फंक्शन कराता है. So our brain is the master of our body. Okay. Now moving further, we have heart. Now what is the shape of the heart? When you draw a heart or a dil, draw it like this, right? Draw it like that. But the exact shape of a heart is very different from what we are drawing. It is actually a pictorial representation जो हम ऐसे करके बनाते हैं. The heart I'll be showing next. Next is we are going to talk about lungs. Now, have you seen a balloon? When you blow air inside it, the balloon expands. And when you blow air outside of it, the balloon contracts. Just like that, we have lungs. Whatever air we are breathing inside, जो हवा हम जो सांस हम अंदर लेते हैं, वो lungs में जा कर के deposit हो जाती हैं. And when you're breathing, your lungs expand like this, and when you're breathing out, your lungs contract like this. So this is while you breathe in, this is while you breathe out. And where are these things present? Inside our body. Inside our body. These parts of the body are present inside of us. Next is the stomach. Now stomach is very big and we like to eat. So whatever food that we eat goes into our stomach, right? It's like a sack. झोला होता है, झोला खाना भरते हैं उसके अंदर जब सब्जी लेने जाते हैं. Just like that, our stomach also fills in the food. Now next up we have bones and muscles. Now tell me, if we had no bones, अगर हमारी हड्डियाँ नहीं होती तो फिर हम कैसे होते? No shape, right? So bones and muscles, the bones, what is a bone? Bone is, can you touch your knee? The elbow? The elbow here is the bone. Just like that, your knee also is the bone. And what else is a bone? Your finger has bones. Your whole body has a bone. In fact, your head also has a bone. And muscles. Now, what are muscles? Do you know what is a muscle? The muscle surrounds the bones and they all together, the bones and the muscle, give shape to our body. Now, do you show your body like this? This is your body, right? So when you're showing your body like this, then this part which you can touch here is your muscle, right? And just next to it is your bone. Okay. So muscles and bones, they together combine and give shape and support to the body. Shape means giving it a definite shape. So now I'll be telling you some examples of bones and muscles together. Now bones have some examples like your shoulder bone. This bone, your shoulder has a bone. Can you feel it? It's hard. So bones are really hard. Now this is your shoulder bone. Now here is your collarbone. Just next to your neck is your collarbone, right? And then we have our rib cage. Rib cage is just this much is the rib cage, which is made up of bones, right? Then here is your wrist bone. Can you see it here? This one, this hole, this is a wrist bone. Then we have a hip bone, right? Just like that, we have so many bones in our whole body. Now, can you name some few bones of it? Moving to muscles. Let us talk about muscles. Here are muscles. Can you see your tongue? Does it has a bone? So it is made up of muscle. Your outer ear is made up of muscle, right? So these are an example of muscles, and I hope you'll get to know more while I show you some more images. Now next up are a group of images where I'll be telling you the image of a brain and the heart and lungs, okay, and then your muscles and bones. So every organ I'm going to show you just after this video. So let us begin with the first organ that we studied, that is brain. Now brain is the king of all the organs, and this is how the left and the right brain looks like. The brain is very strong and control all the organs of our body. Next up is the heart, and heart has the function of carrying blood. The heart pumps blood inside the body and is happy when you eat good and you exercise properly. And this is how a heart exactly looks like inside the body. So you eat good and exercise well to keep your heart happy. Now moving further, we have the air carrying lungs. This is how the lungs look like. And these are the lungs present inside our body. Can you see them on the chest? And this is the left and the right lung of the baby. Now these are lungs and heart, they together fused. Next up we have the great stomach. And this is how a stomach looks like inside your body. And the stomach is also very happy when you eat healthy and eat proper. And also wash your hands. Now next up we have what is left? The bones. Here comes the different types of bones, and they give shape to our body. Can you see the bone? They're giving shape. And next up we have muscles. The muscles I've already told you. See the muscles here, and the muscles and the bone together combine to give shape to our body. Can you see here the bones and the muscles? Now next up is an ordinary image of showing heart, lungs, liver and stomach, and that's all.